Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the shipping rates location could not be gathered in Shopify store. So, if you are seeing the error that says that the shipping rates location could not be gathered on your Shopify store, it means Shopify is unable to retrieve shipping rates due to incorrect settings. And here's how you can fix it. Step 1 is checking shipping zones. So navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to settings at the bottom left of the screen, then click on shipping and delivery. Now, under general shipping rates, click manage. So you can click here and click manage. Now, make sure that the customer's country or region is added under shipping zone, just right here. And if missing, click the create shipping zone or add shipping zone button available, then select the country or region and add rates. Then click save and test again. Now, step 2 is verifying the product shipping settings. Go to products, open any product that isn't showing rates, then scroll down to shipping section and ensure that this is a physical product is checked and that the product has weight that is important for calculated shipping. And if you have variants, you'll have to click on that variant and click on the specific variant. Now scroll down and here you will see the shipping and make sure that this button is checked out and click save. And that could fix the problem. Now, step 3 is enabling third-party carrier calculated rates if needed. So if you're using carrier calculated shippings like UPS, USPS, FedEx, you need to have two things. First of all, you need to have Shopify's advanced plan, or you need to contact support to enable it on the basic standard plan for an extra fee. Now, step 4 is checking customer's address and cart. So you can try entering a different address in the checkout to see if the rates appear. Make sure all items in the cart have correct shipping settings, and you can test different postal codes to check if Shopify retrieves rates properly. Now, step 5 is clearing cache and testing in incognito mode. So sometimes this error is due to cache data. Try clearing browser cache or using incognito mode to test. And after doing this, your Shopify's shipping issue should now be resolved. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more Shopify fixes. See you in the next one.